long to hear your gentle voice, to watch you smile at break of day. The way your eyes would softly narrow could chase the darkest clouds away. Every note you leave behind feels like a melody so true, flowing gently through my dreams, bringing every heartbeat back to you. You are the light that found my soul, the dream I've always wished to find. Every day moves far too slowly when I can't hold you by my side. I miss you more than words could ever say, haunting every lonely night. You're the sweetest memory I've ever known, still shining like a distant light. Yet this heart was never brave enough to take one step and reach for you. Walking away became a raging storm, while you never knew what I was going through. I never thought I'd fall this deeply. The first time our two worlds aligned, what felt like just a passing moment became forever in my mind. Every mile that lies between us cuts a little deeper every day. So many words were left unspoken, now they quietly fade away. If one day you turn around, will you find me waiting there, holding every piece of love I never found the strength to share? Heart still whispers your name.